listen. This is a brulee cheesecake. Everything about it is absolutely perfect. And I've been wanting to try new creative flavors. So when I thought of creme brulee, I had to give it a shot. Traditionally made with just eggs, heavy cream, vanilla, and sugar. I usually use graham crackers for the crust, but I ran out, so I'm using pie crust. We're a small family-owned business, so go share some love. The cake pan has parchment to keep the edges smooth. This is gonna taste amazing. You guys know the money shot is my favorite part. Now we bake. A cake reveal. We'll sprinkle sugar for the brulee. Now the fun part.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An expired, exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired, exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your.
This looks promising. Fluffy jiggly cheesecake. It's way too much fun. We'll add butter, sugar, milk, and cream cheese. Low heat until fully melted. Off the heat and in with our egg yolks. Mix well. Cornstarch, flour, and vanilla. A mix until smooth. Perfect. Egg whites, sweetness, touch of lime. Quick test. Perfect. Now fold in both mixes. You want it to be smooth and creamy but not overmixed. Our mix goes in. And now we bake. It's so jiggly. Your new favorite mixed berries cheesecake. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, mix, perfect. Blueberries, heavy cream. Ooh, count me in. Crust goes in. I'm telling you, I'd live in this cheesecake mix. Even spread, now to the fridge. This is blackberry sauce. Blackberries, sugar, and lime juice. Now cook until juices are released. Add in cornstarch. This is gonna taste so good. In with the blackberry jam. Beautiful. It's gonna be a good one.